All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to walk through basically what I did with this simple flat working position for a cover page in Preps to start with. So what I'll do is first phase, before I even run with Preps, again, I've connected my servers, and what I need is I need to refine my PDF content. So for mine, I'm going to use a sample content. I've kind of already created this project, so what I'm going to do is start out by making a copy of a sample cover that's been provided, and students can pretty much do this too. And I'm going to make a new folder, and this is being made on the job data server that houses everything. So I'll call this OS demo flat cover. And within this, I'm going to make a folder called PDF to house my PDF. And I will paste that file within it. So basically what I have now is I have my project, I've got my PDF directory, my sample PDF. This is what I'm going to start with. So with that, I need to refine this PDF to kind of speak Evo's language. So what I'll do is I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to open up Prinergy Evo to start. I just searched it out. Here's Prinergy Evo. I'll pop it up. So that will want to connect to a server to start. If it doesn't start, Evo has a specific server address. It's basically the one that I connected to at the beginning, so it can be entered in. All right, we'll go through. Now, what you get when you bring yours up is you may not see this file. We have a specialized file called Stout Palette, and what this has on it is a bunch of functions ganged together. This is the file that we use to do a lot of things. So refine PDF, marks to PDF, refine to PDF with a .003 trap, refine a PDF to convert spot colors. If for some reason we had Pantone colors and we wanted to convert them over, we would utilize this one, convert them over to CMYK values. So there's a bunch of refinement. There's other output palettes here listed as well. And when you go through the setup and follow the instructions, you can add these palettes, but we'll have imposed VPS for doing virtual proofing, and eventually have the ability to go out to actual plates. So like the QM46 would actually output a printed plate. And after you get through what we're doing in my class, you essentially could output a plate. You could have everything in place for that. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to start out and I'm going to choose refine to PDF .003 trap for this specific project. I'm going to take my PDF that I made, my sample cover, and I'm just going to drag that onto the refinement. And what you're going to see is it's going to come up and it's going to say, all right, well, what do I want to do with it? This has been pre-built in, but again, what we're doing is this is just going to make a copy of the PDF that has been encoded to work through Prinergy's workflow. So I'll say go. And now I have a new folder called Refined PDFs. It's been generated. And within that, once the PDF conversion finishes, I'm going to have basically another version of the same cover. It looks exactly the same. The only difference is it's been encoded for Evo to work with. So from there, I can go to preps and start working. So that's kind of step one is PDF refinement. If I was doing this with a flat cover, it's one thing. If I had a multi-page project that was built in readers spreads, as in page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in order, it would separate those out and I would have a giant list full of files that I could then work with to work with an imposition